Today we're starting the page for your name. This is going to go on the front of the book that we just made. You'll be using the 5x8 index cards that are in your things, your kit of supplies. This was the sheet I gave you. What I would do first, I took scratch paper and I kind of figured out how big I wanted to do my letters, because what we're going to be doing is a form of bubble letters, but it's in your own handwriting, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I had this drawn out on scratch paper, and then I went over to my actual paper so I could figure out what the spacing would be. Do leave enough space in between each letter so that you'll be able to draw around it. So this is step one. You're going to do a pencil, draw it lightly. This one's a little bit darker because I wanted you to be able to see it. Then what you'll do, so you can take your pencil and you're going to outline the letters. So you're just going to go out around. So if you see that the S was right here, then I just make another line out around it. Leave a little space on each side. As your letters come together, you can decide what's going to be in front and back. So this part of the S here kind of collides with the C a little bit, and that's okay. I'm just deciding that the S is going to be in front, the C will be underneath, and then the H will be underneath that. So as I go here, the back would be right there, but I'm skipping over that. And then I have the H. That's gonna, the C will overlap the H a little bit. Okay. And then I keep going with the rest of the letters, and you can kind of fix them up, make it make sense for the area. Then you'll take an eraser. You can take an eraser and erase out the center part so you can kind of see where everything's at. So in here, I have a couple of lines I'll need to decide what's happening right there. Okay, like that. So I did all of my letters. Fix this up too. Okay, decided where everything's going to be, and then I took a Sharpie, or you can use Uniball pen or some type of marker to outline the letters. So I'll show you the finished one. Once I outlined the letters, I finished and erased all the inside stuff. So then you're free to decorate this however you want. I used colored pencil. It's very light. It's hard to see on the camera. I'm not quite done. I have some areas to finish. You could do some type of design inside of your letters if you want to. Do a design out here. You can use watercolor, colored pencil, markers, crayons, whatever you have available to you is fine. And then this is what will be on the front. So go ahead and have fun with illustrating your name.